Try ko na po.
Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're going to replace the timing belt. Serpentine belt. So this one we have parts already, and tensioner, and also the idler pulley. First, that's the first step there. Just remove that one.
Oops.
8mm. Okay, good.
Wait. No, clockwise or counter.
Yeah, that's good.
Opo.
Yeah. And now you can make DIY. Okay, it's good. So don't remove all, just leave like that.
Opo.
Okay, and jack.
Opo. Oh, ito po.
Can you move that? No. The tools.
Opo.
The tools.
Socket.
Don't. Yeah.
Opo.
Just make sure that safe,
Yes po.
because we don't have spare. So this is the kind of noise. Okay, and this is the worst, I think. So we're gonna replace the tensioner and the pole, idler pulley. This is the top. This is the idler pulley, but this is the top. The bottom, it's a grooves, so it's different idler pulley. So we have different 3 idler pulleys here, 1, 2, and 3. But we are going to replace this, and also this one. Okay, so you have to find a 13mm jack. Okay, good.
Opo.
So this is the pulley. So this is outside. Oh, this is one. It says Germany. Nice. But kind of. Oh, this one also Germany. Okay. That's good.
Opo.
And then torque it.
18 foot-pounds.
Good.
Number 1. Oops. Break this. Oops. Support.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Pakai spin mo nga. That's the difference, di ba? Kind noise yan.
The new one, sir?
Yeah. Good. So actually you can replace this one, but
Fence old. And new.
okay, they're the same. Okay, can put the new one. Motorcraft, made in Mexico. Yeah, original.
So pag ganito
It's
po.
genuine parts from Ford. Yeah. So what you're gonna do is like this. Oh, put in there. Yeah. And then put underneath. Okay,
Apa.
put your hands there, finger underneath.
Apa.
No.
Ay pa.
You. Yan. Yan, no? Put into the just that's
Oh,
too
to
much.
the wheel.
Yeah,
Apa, apa.
that's what in there.
Check. Wheel. Check.
That's you can double check later.
Apa.
And then goes down to the crankshaft. Jack, crankshaft first. No. The on the this one.
Apa.
This one. Hindi mo na natandaan, pinicture-picturean mo pa eh.
Apa.
I will see. So guys, so we already replaced the tensioner and idler pulley. You can reverse it. How you install, just reverse it. And then we replace already the belt, the engine belt. So DIY guys, you can do it by yourself. Thanks for watching.